Good morning, everyone, and happy Tuesday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. I hope you all had a lovely long weekend. This morning we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news. Not a ton of earnings reports yet this morning, but we'll see what's ahead in the after hours and which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Don't forget to head over to TipRanks TV to catch our after hours market recap along with other great exclusive stock series. The link will be in the description down below. Now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are mixed this morning, and President Joe Biden is set to meet with Fed Chair Jerome Powell later this afternoon. Currently, Dow futures are down 0.35%, S&P 500 futures down 0.31%, while Nasdaq futures are up 0.04%. Oil prices surged after European Union leaders agreed to ban most of Russian crude imports. The plan is to ban 90% of Russian crude by the end of the year. U.S. crude per barrel rose to nearly $120 per barrel. And cryptocurrency Bitcoin is on a bit of a rally. Bitcoin has risen over 3% in the past 24 hours, sitting comfortably above 31,500. Investors will watch for the cryptocurrency to pass a key support level at 32,000. Shares of Yamana Gold are on the rise today as South Africa's gold fields agreed to purchase the Canadian company for $6.7 billion. This will be an all-share offer where Yamana shareholders will receive 0.6 of a gold fields share for each Yamana share outstanding. The combined group will create the world's fourth biggest gold producer, headquartered in Johannesburg with operations across South Africa, Ghana, Australia, Canada, and South America. Gold Fields said Yamana's board has unanimously approved the deal and it's expected to close in the second half of 2022. Analysts currently rate the stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 48%. Shares of Unilever are up after the company appointed Nelson Peltz as a non-executive director. Peltz will join Unilever's board and become a member of its compensation committee beginning July 20th. They also confirmed his Trion Fund Management holds a roughly 1.5% stake in the company. Peltz said that Unilever is a company with significant potential through leveraging its portfolio of strong consumer brands and its geographical footprint. It currently has 2 analyst ratings and comes in as a moderate sell with no price target. GSK said they'd be buying biotech company Affinivax in a deal worth up to $3.3 billion. Affinivax is developing next-generation vaccines, and the acquisition will help GSK bolster its vaccine pipeline ahead of their planned separation of their consumer healthcare business. The UK drug maker will make an upfront payment of $2.1 billion and up to $1.2 billion in potential development milestones. The GSK stock does not have any current analyst ratings. And tech giant Intel's CEO Patrick Gelsinger has stirred up speculation after he reportedly met with the top brass of Samsung. According to a report by the Korea Herald, Gelsinger flew to Seoul after attending the 2022 World Economic Forum. Although specifics of the meeting are unknown, speculation is rife about possible collaborations between the two tech giants to compete effectively in the powerful and most watched generation chip manufacturing market. Analysts currently rate the Intel stock a hold with an average upside of 12.5%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. As I mentioned earlier, not a ton happening this morning for earnings reports, but in the after hours we do have some big names, including Salesforce, ChargePoint Holdings, Digital Turbine, HP, Victoria's Secret, and Ambarella. Now let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Yamana Gold on the news of their Gold Fields buyout. Under the ticker AUY, the stock is currently up nearly 15%. They're followed by MicroStrategy under MSTR up over 10% and New Oriental Education under EDU up 8.8%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by Frontline after the private acquisition of Euronav shares in exchange for Frontline shares was completed. Under the ticker FRO, the stock is down 13%. They're followed by Goldfields under the ticker GFI. They're down 11.3%, and PotlatchDeltic under PCH down 7%. So that is going to be everything for Tuesday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you back here next time.